We ready? Start. The Center's invitation to representatives of political parties from both Jammu and Kashmir for a meeting in New Delhi on June 24 can be termed the most significant step to end the political impasse after the abrogation of Article 370 and the bifurcation of the former state into union territories. Stop. On the table as part of the commencement of the political engagement are likely to be discussions on the delimitation exercise or the process of redrawing electoral constituencies, which could pave the way for the conduct of the elections and even restoration of statehood. Stop. A major crackdown and jailing of the mainstream leaders had followed the abrupt end to J&K's special constitutional status on August 5, 2019. Stop. The proposed all-party meeting thus emerges as a major confidence-building measure to end the political uncertainty. Stop. Even though a consensus may elude the constituents of the Gupkar alliance on the issue of accepting the invite and over the terms of engagement, the opportunity it offers should not be missed. Stop. A face-to-face meeting with the country's top leadership provides a platform to not only gauge the mood in New Delhi but also put forth grievances and convey the perceived sense of injustice. Stop. Much of the onus for any normalization of the democratic processes lies with the center. Stop. Events over the past 22 months and the treatment meted out to politicians will inspire little confidence among the parties in the region despite the successful conduct of the District Development Council elections. Stop. Set up on March 6, 2020, the Delimitation Commission was given a year's extension in March this year. Stop. For the regional parties participating and then listing reservations could be a far better strategy than merely boycotting discussions on changes that could dramatically alter the political map and fortunes of many. Stop. Whatever the apprehensions, engagement is a more prudent choice than crying foul and rejecting the invitation. Stop. A maximalist approach has seldom worked in anyone's favor, however big or small. Stop. A year after the deadly clashes between the Indian and Chinese armies in the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh, tension in the region continues and the trust deficit reigns supreme. Stop. The army chief's assertion that there can be no de-escalation without complete disengagement at all friction points gives a broad view of India's approach. Stop. However, 11 rounds of discussions it is clear that no further step back. Stop.